Hello and good morning. This is the second of 3 days that I will not be at school due to bus driver training classes. Today's video is going to detail the information that we covered yesterday. It is also going to detail the information and the tasks that you need to complete today. Let's begin with detailing what we talked about yesterday. We discussed ancient Egypt geography, where Egypt was located, Egypt's location compared to the Nile, the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea, and Africa and the Middle East. We also talked about the importance of the natural resources within Egypt, including the Nile, gold, salt, timber, and papyrus. We also began the ancient Egypt geo assignment, which should have gone on page number 8, the mapping assignment. If you have not started on it yet, you need to go back and watch the second video from yesterday. Or if you were not here yesterday, you need to watch the first and second video and catch up today. The second video will detail exactly what you do. A few reminders for those of you who were here yesterday, which should be a lot of you. You click on the link or copy and paste the link on the sheet. It will take you to the website where the maps are. You complete the mapping assignment 1 through 9, and then you answer questions 1 through 8 using an extension on page number 8 in your interactive notebook. Do not use another page for answering the questions. Use page number 8 and an extension to do that. If you are not done, stop here. Do not go further into this video. Stop, go finish the assignment from yesterday, the mapping assignment, and when you are done, come back to this video. Do not go further. Do not go further. Do not go further. Now that you are done with the assignment from yesterday, I need you to flip to your table of contents, and page number 10's title, you should be on page number 10 now. Page number 10's title is Ancient Egypt Geo Assignment. Page number 10's title is Ancient Egypt Geo Assignment. And page number 11 is Ancient Egypt Geo Writing. Page number 11's title is Ancient Egypt Geo Writing. Make sure you write them on both your table of contents and the title of your pages. Now, you should be done with the mapping assignment, so you should be ready to start on the next task. If you have gone and you didn't follow my rules and you went on with the video, you need to pause right now and stop and finish the mapping assignment before you go forward, because every assignment, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, is for a grade. So do not go further, because if you don't finish it today, you're going to be behind. Okay, so finish it first. If you are going ahead, you should be on the second assignment. So, what is the second assignment telling us? The second assignment says, with the map that is on the back table, which should be the same map you completed yesterday, and the 8 questions and your notes on page number 9, I want you to draw on page number 10 a full-page colored picture of what the area around the Nile River would look like. I want you to use all your notes and the map to help you design your picture. You must include the Nile River, must include the area to the left and the area to the right. You can use your notes, you can use the maps, you can use Google Maps to help you. Okay, that's what's going to go on page number 10 is a color picture of what the Nile River looks like, What I would suggest is you put the Nile River in the middle of the page, and then you do the area to the left and to the right of that. Once you are done with the colored picture on page 10, you then go to page number 11. On the page that you have left, which is the page to the right, page number 11, is I want you to write a minimum, at least, minimum means at least, a half a page answering the 3 questions below. And you can't pick and choose which questions you have to write. You have to write about all 3. Why did cities begin to pop around the Nile River? Why did they pop up around the Nile? What was life like around the Nile River? And why was the Nile River called the lifeline of Egypt? Okay, all 3 of these should be easy questions. You should be able to know why they popped up around the Nile River. That should be easy for you. Okay, what was life like around the Nile River? Well, think about it. If they have resources, what was life like? And why was the Nile River called the lifeline of Egypt? Lifeline is, without lifeline, you don't have life. So why was it called the lifeline? Okay. If you finish with 10 and 11, Prodigy, Miss Hill's assignment, read, draw, color, no free time, make sure you've got everything done. The mapping assignment, this assignment, these 2 need to be done ASAP. Okay. The mapping assignment should be done really quickly. And this one, if you do not finish it, needs to be taken into class on Wednesday. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.